Ryan, TCG warming up for tonight's game. Avalanche versus Hurricanes. Should be a good one. Both of these teams 0-0. Ryan, TCG, we should be watching him today. I bet he'll have a good game. I just got a feeling. Anyway, that's it. And we'll see you for the game. Guys, welcome back to their Matt Sports and Video Room channel, guys. Today we're doing another floor hockey game for the league. So, yeah. It's going to be a good game. And yeah, this is I believe, this is the fourth game of the season. And we have two new teams that haven't played the season yet. So, yeah. And now, we're going to bring one of them down. You're away, Colorado Avalanche. There's Ryan, TCJ. And now, you're home, Carolina Hurricanes. There's Kyle's Road.
Kyle's right with the Philly helmet.
Oh, buddy. Oh, that's an easy goal. And now, hey, give me a buck, give me a buck, buck, give me a buck. I sound like a
Canadian roast.
I sounded not saying, I was like saying duck with a B. Buck, 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 buck. What do you want? Oh, this is such an easy one. Now there's some smack talking going on. Now, drop the puck now, I'm gonna run away. I just got slapped in the knee. I'm the only announcer in this game, Ryan TCG. What we do? Oh! Because what we do here, folks, is if you're playing, you do not announce, but if everyone's playing, then the players can announce. But it's just hard for them to, sometimes they mess up when they're playing, and then I was like, what a rip! Bar down from TCG!
TCS.
Do we? TCG and TCS.
We got TCG and TCS. Just call me TC.
Okay.
TK.
Okay, Ryan TC. There's Kyle's right here on the draw. We'll zoom into that Hurricane logo. And then we'll zoom into that Avalanche logo. Camera's not really focusing here. But it's focused enough. Grabbing. Alright, there we go. Here we go. Hey. There we go. Play. Rip, what a goal! Ryan TC!
Yeah, I have a pocket short with it.
No, why? Don't face. Dude, remember last game I was down 4-0? Well, not last game, like a couple games ago. 4-1 with Red Wings Flyers, and I didn't get the start. We don't do that.
We don't do that here. This was a serious league.
I know. Good puck drop now. That one was on the line. You're working with it a while. Oh, I did burn out. That's TCG. Off the crossbar. Iron score. Score by TCG. This might be a quick vid. This is going to be a quick game. Hey. Penalty shot. Tyler gets penalty shot. We get a roughing call there. Well, I didn't get it on camera, but Ryan grabbed his jersey, pulled it towards him, and then let go and threw him down. Now, here we go. Wait, I'll tell you when to go. When you hear my... No, Kyle, I'll tell you when to go. When you hear my whistle, you go, okay?
Yeah.
No! Wait. Hey, we gotta go to review there. That might have been it. Hey.
I got it.
We'll cut back after this review. After video review, for about 2 minutes of video review, we had decided we're not sure. We just wish the ball is another color because it blended into a jersey. But as I saw, I am pretty sure we have a good goal. Yeah, and now that's a good goal. The Canes are on the board, and we got a 2-1 game. Now, get ready for the face-off here.
You're so good, Kyle's World.
We might not have the review on camera. We might, but. Oh, look at this. Oh!
That was pretty dirty.
I didn't get that on camera. Anyway, Kyle won it. He hit it off the wall and it rolled back into his own net. And Ryan got the one-hander off and scored. That would have been a good one to get him. 3-1 halves. That's it! Yeah! Canes are on the board! No, the ref's gonna let him go here. Hey! That's it, he's done. He's done.
You didn't even get that on camera.
Yes, I did. The camera's face. It got like you. Hey, don't go at it, boys. Whistle, hey. Hey. That's it. One more, both of you, if you throw one more punch, you're out of here.
Then you do it.
Hey, back off, eh? Eh? Why do I sound Canadian?
You are.
Oh, here we go. Right there in the corner. 3-2 game wide. Score! It's what is getting out of hand. Oh, he got it.
I think that should be embellished.
You would have roughed him like you're bigger than him. Like the size difference is a big difference, and you like. Hey. Stop, guys, comment. Stop. Hey,
buddy.
Stop it, guys. I'm staying while I'm here. Oh, hey, you're gone. No, that's a penalty shot. You can't just stop on his face. You can't just stomp on his face.
With the skate on.
Yeah, that's a penalty. This could be for the game. You go on my whistle, okay?
Nah, it would be 4.
No, isn't it 3:30?
Yeah.
Ready? Here we go. You go on my whistle. Oh, Jack, that's it. Oh, we never got to it, though. Stop. Resume play. Oh, and the ref goes down. Hey, embellishment.
By who?
I think Ryan embellished. I literally think Ryan embellished. We're having no more. At first, it looked like Kyle, but like then kind of remembering it, like Ryan kind of slew-footed him, and then Ryan fell. I feel like, and Kyle got his hand on him, and he was acting like he got put. Guys, we've had way too many penalties. We've had like 3, and I think the most in the whole league we've had besides this game was like 2. Ready? Dude, it's a penalty shot. Oh. Go on my whistle, okay? Here. Goes on my whistle here. Stays forward. Resume play. Barely stayed moving forward there on a penalty shot. No. He now goes back. 3-3 game here. Closest one of the season yet, in my opinion, stopped. Well, maybe besides Predators Oilers. Shot wide, and now we're going to have some issues in the arena. Hey, what's going on over? You're gone. Hey, Ryan, if Ryan TCG keeps in line, TC keeps this going, he's gone. That's good enough there. All right, let's resume, Kyle. Get in your net. Kyle's hops back in his net quickly. Wide. Hits the out part of the side of the net. I'm missing it. Kyle's rod fighting for it. Save of the game. Save of the game Save of the game by Kyle's World. Brian TCG's frustrated. I'm not gonna lie. We might do like top 10 goals and top 10 saves. That's it. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know about number 1, but it's at least number like 3 for top 10 saves.
What do you want, bud? What do you
I can't believe the Hurricanes had it. I'm not in line. I thought that the Avs were gonna win this game like 5-1.
Yeah.
And it's 4-3 Hurricanes. Even if the Avs lose, Canes lose, it's been a great battle. Score! Now we're
That wasn't even a good shot. My table better than your shot.
Stop. Oh my gosh!
That didn't count.
Wait. We're already gonna have to talk about this. I'm not gonna count that. The only reason why is I know you're allowed to do it, but it's kind of a cheap play. The whole face-off, when it was in midair before the face-off, Ryan kept slapping his stick, and then he slapped his stick in the puck. I knew that would be a good goal if he slapped his stick in the puck, but he had no chance on the base. That was kind of if anything, I feel like you should get a slashing penalty. But I'm not. You're lucky I'm not even giving you one. Next goal, Winzo here. That was a cheap shot. That's a penalty shot. This has been a dirty game.
Yeah.
Go on my whistle.
I know where he's good.
Comes on in. Stays moving forward. Poke check, we resume. Stop. He needs to dive back in the net. Now it goes near me. Kyle's right off the post. Shot again. Uh-oh. Stole it from him. Off the launch game. The Avalanche win. With the score of 5-. You didn't think. Hey, what? Hey. Hey, what name? Hey, Botany. That's it for this one, guys. Peace. We'll see you for the next game or next vid.